We are officially in Jamaica, first time ever. Pretty stoked. Going to the caves, hopefully they're gonna be beautiful. Wanted to go to the beach and stuff, but a lot of people are going and decided against going. This is a new pier, guys. I'm taping this because you cannot find this footage anywhere on YouTube of the new pier and what it looks like and what it has. So I'm gonna show you. Let's go. It's our first little Jamaican fish. The water is super clear. Cool.
Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I would feel alright.
Here's a beautiful shot of our ship at the port here in Jamaica. So I was just told that all of this is all original from the first port. So I guess they haven't added too much. They just fixed the port up that the boats can dock again. So we're waiting for our excursion, and then we're off to the grottos. Fun, fun, fun. Information center, boat again, and the way you come in off the boat. The waters are super clear here. We've already seen some beautiful fish. So let's go check out those grottos.
Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. You don't sound excited. Is it too early for you? It's too early?
No.
You need some coffee? Alright, if you need some coffee after the tour, I'll stop for you to get some coffee. Alright? No problem. Alright, so welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Ocho Rios. My name is Sue. I am Sweet Sue, Fun Sue, everything that is nice Sue. And with us is our number one no problem driver, Kevin. So let's give it up for Kevin. I like that. Alright. Alright, so of course between Kevin and myself, we are going to be showing you a good time. Yeah, man?
Yeah.
You're not excited to be in Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
I am excited for you to be in Jamaica. Because guess what? Don't worry.
Be happy.
No, that's not how it goes. About a thing. You don't know that one? Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning. We smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds is by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Alright, see, we're off to a wonderful start. Alright, so we are in the tourism town of Ocho Rios. To our right, that is the Ocho Rios Fishing Village, where you get seafood prepared for you. To our right, we have the Reynolds Pier. It is from here that we export limestone. Now, a part of the James Bond movie, Dr. No, it was filmed on location at the Reynolds Pier. Alright? So, before I go any further with the tour, do we have any first timers here? First time to Jamaica? It's a Sky Explorer into the hills, and you get a view of Ocho Rios. Swim with the dolphins, snorkel with the stingrays, interact with exotic birds and Jamaican wildlife. Coming up to our left, we have the entrance to the world famous and 60 feet of cascading waterfall. They say you have not been to Jamaica until you have done the Dunn's River Falls. Are the rainy season and the dry season. In the rainy season, it doesn't rain very much. Normally, if it rains in the morning, we have sunshine in the afternoon. Now here, we like to say we have perfect weather all year. Here, they are built with concrete blocks, sand, stone, steel, and cement. Now we make our homes here strong enough to withstand the hurricane. We have some popular franchisement. We have Starbucks, Pizza Hut, and of course, the very popular KFC. Back home, you know this as Kentucky Fried Chicken. On the island, we say keep from cooking. It's like Bailey's, but it is so much smoother. And this rum, it comes in 6 different flavors. So you can have it just as it is. You can pour it over ice. You can pour it over whatever. So that's my Bob Marley for you. Woo! Thank you. So in another minute or 2, we will be at the Great Bottom Caves. Those stuff that you don't need, you can leave them here. Please bear in mind that there are no liquids allowed inside the cave.
We are now leaving Jamaica. We had a great day. Beautiful, beautiful place. And beautiful water.